Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today's video will be a bit different because I want you to vote for what you want to see next on the channel. Spectre Operation Tarkov is reaching the end. We still have a couple of missions to go, but we are close to the end of the campaign. I'm starting to think at what I want to see next available on the channel. I had many different ideas, around 5 or 6 different campaigns, from zombie to XCOM to some other stuff. But I have nailed down two main big ideas I really want to work on for next year, or at least for the next 6 months. And I want you to vote for what you want to see. So, the first idea, the first campaign or supplement is called Spectre Operation Anaconda. It followed the story of the video game Medal of Honor from 2010, which is actually inspired by real events. It is set during the immediate aftermath of 9/11 and during the opening days of the invasion of Afghanistan. You follow multiple Special Force units, Navy SEALs, Delta Force, 75 Rangers, CIA SAD, after they have been deployed in the Shayakot Mountains in Afghanistan for Operation Anaconda. Like in Spectre Operation Tarkov, that campaign will be heavily scripted and most missions will follow the mission from the video game plus some others. There won't be any looting in this game, no deck of cards. This campaign will mostly use the what you see is what you get rule. I will have one card for every soldier, at least for every friendly, maybe also for... Actually, I have already the cards for all the OP4 too. What is also new with that campaign is the board. We'll have a brand new board, never saw on the channel, which will be set in Middle East. Here is some images of the board in its current state. I will need to improve it a bit in some area. And yeah, I still have some idea I want to be thinking at. Not sure if it will be implemented in the campaign, but maybe an earth and mine system where we need to gain the trust of the civilian population. Otherwise, they will turn on us and take arms against us when we visit villages. We'll be able to call in airstrike. There will be different type of mission, from attacking, capturing an airport to doing silent mission at night, sniping from a long range. So yeah, plenty different style of mission and in a brand new environment for SO Anaconda. The next campaign ID is called Spectre Operation Patriots. In this campaign, we will control a team of Ghost Recon Special Force soldiers during an invasion of the USA by the Russian armed forces. It is deeply inspired by a movie like Red Dawn, but also some mission from Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and of course also by the Ghost Recon video game series. This campaign will use a deep class system for the friendly forces like rifleman, drone specialist, demolition specialist. Each soldier will belong to a specific class with a selection of gear, weapon attached to him and also gadgets. For example, the rifleman will have an assault rifle but no SMG, no shotgun. The campaign in that supplement won't be scripted. The different missions won't be scripted. It will be completely randomized. I will be working on a deck of cards, and on each card will have a mission goal with a quick setup and an objective. And I will have actually every mission will unlock some new soldier that will also be part of a new deck, which will be the soldier deck. And basically for every class I will have a couple of different soldiers, and I will just draw randomly some soldiers that I will unlock as I progress onto the campaign. The board here will be set in North America, so similar to the one we saw on Operation Dark Winter, but with also the addition of the countryside and the industrial zone we saw on Spectre Operation Tarkov. And in this campaign, we'll mostly do insurgency-style mission to disrupt the Russian armed forces in establishing their dominance in the region. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the two next big idea I want to work on. And if you like both, don't worry, I will probably do one after the other. It's really just you vote for the one you want to see next after Spectre Operation Tarkov. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see first, what you are most excited with. And yeah, probably in 1 week or two, I will just combine all the votes from Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. And I will just, just choose and just do a quick update on what will be the next supplement. Thank you everyone for watching that quick video, and I will see you all for the next one. Bye everyone.